Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Victoria and I run Time and Tenderness here on YouTube and on Instagram. We are getting ready for a snowstorm and it's supposed to hit sometime tonight into tomorrow. So I'm taking all of my Saturday to get ready, make sure my house is super clean. That way I don't have to worry about anything tomorrow and I can just sit back, relax, and watch the snow fall. My husband is outside cleaning up the yard, covering some things that we don't want to get wet. And he has Layla outside with him. Inside here, I'm going to prep a soup and I will show you how I do that. So follow along as I cook and clean my house today. First things first, I need to have some motivation. So I will be setting up my diffusers with some Citrus Bliss from Doterra. This is a really motivating scent and it keeps the house smelling super fresh and super clean. So I have my little diffuser here, which I will add 4 to 5 drops. I will put the top on and let's get her started. I want it to run all day, so I'm just gonna set it to the 6-hour mode and I'm gonna pick the color I want. So I just like the plain white color. And there we go. Now I can get started and feel really motivated while the house smells great. Alright guys, so I'm making split pea soup. It is a soup that my mom used to make a lot when I was growing up and I really missed it. Now that I'm married and I live alone, and I live, not alone, I live with Jack, but I don't live with my mom anymore. I don't get it that often. So I'm gonna be, I haven't told her I'm making it, I'm attempting to make it by memory, kinda, sorta. So here is what I have set up. I've got 4 carrots, 5 stalks of celery, an onion, 4 cloves of garlic because I really love garlic. I have a whole ham hock here I got from a local farmer stand, so it's locally raised, and then I've got some green split peas and some chicken broth. I'm going to use 6 cups of chicken broth, so this container has 4 cups in it and each of these little containers is 1 cup. So I did do some prep work by washing, peeling, and cutting off the ends of the celery and carrots, so I'm going to finish chopping everything up and put it all into the crock pot. So this is with all the fresh veggies combined in here. I am going to add peas in there. Perfect. And I'm going to put the ham hock right on top, right in the middle, and then I'm going to pour in the broth and then a couple more spices, and I'll let you know what those spices are. Living space. There's a couple other things I'll probably tidy up as I go through my day today, and I want to get our guest bedroom cleaned up. I'm using it as a laundry folding area right now, but I'm probably gonna suit up right now. Well, not suit up, just put my coat on and shoes on and go see my husband outside. So I'll take you with me. Outside? Going outside? Are you feeding the birds for the snow?
Yep. It's so that I can watch them.
So what have you done to prepare our yard for the snowstorm?
Huh?
What? Take your ear. What have you done to prepare our yard for the snowstorm?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No, I just got the leaf blower out and blew all the leaves around so that way the snow doesn't land on them all and they all get all wet and then they're harder to move. They're all dry right now, so I was able to just blow them really easy with the leaf blower, with my still leaf blower.
Your still leaf blower?
Still leaf blower. Backpack leaf blower.
I see you got the wood all nice and covered.
Yeah, it's covered.
Good. I've got the fire going. And it's burning nice and clean, right?
Yep, nice and clear. It means that we're not unseasoned wood. Just trying to work to burn all that moisture out of the wood. Nice clear burn. Also, because the yodel has a secondary burn chamber, so all the byproduct from the wood gets caught in that secondary burn chamber, burns up, so it's burning real fine.
You ready for the snow, Layla? Yes. This is my guest's bedroom, and I am super embarrassed to even show it to you guys. I've mainly been using it as a spot to fold laundry, and as you can see, I am backed up when it comes to my laundry. So I'm gonna start working on that, and hopefully I will get it all sorted and folded, and that stuff that I don't even know where I can put that, but we'll see. Let's figure it out. I don't know about you guys, but who else likes to watch Netflix when you fold your laundry? So I'm just gonna set that up, pick a show, and get to it. All this. It's not really that bad. Not bad at all. guys, good morning. It is like day 2 or day 1, I don't know. It started snowing overnight for our snow day. Jack is outside cleaning up. He's tidying off the cars because we might go for a ride later, go visit my in-laws down the road and take Layla with us. I've already gotten up, I made breakfast. I'll probably include that footage right after this clip. And I already prepped for dinner, so I've got like a pot roast going with potatoes, carrots, onions, celery, all sorts of fun stuff. And then the house is all nice and clean, so there's nothing to show you there. Just gotta tidy up just a couple things. There's one trick I want to show you. So with all the snow and how cold it is, we are running our wood stove like crazy. And we normally keep the little kettle on top filled with water, but just lately it's not cutting it, and our noses are really dry and our eyes are really dry. And even Layla, I noticed like her eyes are getting weepy, and I thought she was having an eye infection, but I actually looked it up. Her eyes are dry because the air is so dry in our house. So I started really running our diffusers a lot right here. So I have my diffuser here that I showed you guys yesterday, and I have my diffuser over here in the kitchen, right there. And I have a couple others in the house. So I have some oils going. I have them all running, filled with water, and it's really helping get some moisture back in the air. And I noticed a huge difference yesterday with running them and the stove at the same time. Our noses aren't dry, our eyes aren't dry, and Layla's eyes aren't weeping anymore. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comment box down below. But I'll probably take you along with me as we go on our little snow adventure today. So stay tuned.